How to use sandblasting equipment. Sandblasting is an effective method of cleaning metal surfaces to remove rust, old paint, oil stains, and other surface contaminants. It's a preparation step before applying the primer and paint coating. In addition, sandblasting can be used to give metal surfaces a matte or polished finish and create a shagreen texture. You'll need a special sandblasting gun and a compressor for sandblasting. A hose with fittings is used to connect the gun and the compressor. The compressor's capacity should be at least 160 liters per minute. Additionally, you'll need abrasive materials. Popular abrasives include quartz, garnet, copper and nickel slag, plastic abrasive, aluminium oxide, and cast iron and steel grit. Quartz is the most common and affordable. Important: it's illegal to use in some countries, including the UK. Garnet is highly durable and effective. It's suitable for repeated use and is not hazardous. Aluminium oxide is optimal for working on aluminium and stainless steel products. It's practically as strong as a diamond and is suitable for multiple uses.
Only with Autodoc Black Friday sale. Don't miss our great deals.
Black Friday in May. Cast iron/steel grit is used to make notches on the metal surface to ensure that the protective coating adheres well to it. Attention! Personal protective equipment must be worn when sandblasting. Protective suits made of dense fabric that protects exposed areas of the body. Safety goggles and respirator. Gloves made of rubber-coated fabric, neoprene or other materials with a natural cotton lining. General procedure when sandblasting metal. It's best to carry out the work outdoors. If this is not possible, prepare a closed, well-lit room. Lay a plastic sheet on the floor and remove any unnecessary objects. Firmly secure the part you'll be working on. Fill the gun tank with the right type of abrasive material. Assemble the sandblasting equipment, attach the tank with the abrasive to the gun and connect the hose to the compressor. Wear personal protective equipment. Adjust the air pressure and sand supply. Start by holding the gun so that the nozzle is at the correct angle to the surface that's being treated. The time spent cleaning a particular area and the angle of the gun nozzle to the surface that's being cleaned depend on the thickness and type of surface layer to be removed and are determined individually for each case. Sandblasting metal surfaces offers several advantages over other types of surface cleaning. It enables fast and high-quality cleaning for parts, including those with complex shapes, without damaging the metal. It also allows you to create a rough surface texture